advisor of the Smart Mission, Honorable Suryalal Hafila, is being requested to hoist the flag today.
Ladies and gentlemen, today are celebrating the 72 Republic Day all over India. After a while, we also raised the flag here.
Sujala Burman, come on stage, and there is a request from the stage on introduce oneself.
Good morning, how are you all? This is Sujala. I belong to the 8th century in Gujarat. I am studying Library English 4. Together I am in this special. Thank you.
Next, artist Divyagate, come on stage, and there is a request from the stage to introduce oneself.
Good morning, how are you? My name is Ate.
Next episode is a poetry recitation.
Thank you inviting to me the stage today. This is Ormila. I belong to the century in Gujarat. I will recite the poem. The name of the poem is A Prayer. So I am start line. A prayer just to be tender, just to be true, just to be mild, all that true, just to be merciful, just to be mild, as a child. Thanks. Thank you inviting to me the stage today. This is Sujala. I belong to the 8th century in Gujarat. I will recite a poem. The name of the poem is Oh Look at the Moon. So I am start line. Oh look at the moon. She is shining up there. Oh my God, she look like a lamp in the air. Thanks.
Hello everyone. Almost 200 years of British rule came to an end on 15 August 1947. And India gained independence. Some rules require specified policies and laws to government of India. With this in mind, on January 26, 1950, the constitution drafted by the Dr. R.B. Ambedkar was adopted in India. His full name was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. So this day is celebrated as Democracy or Republic Day. Democracy is a system where the country is for the people and the government is for the people. The word republic comes from the Latin word was res publica, which means the matter of people. Let us all pay our respect and salute to the mighty. I am concluding my speech here today. Thanks. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
We walk hand in hand someday.
Let's take the smart mission.
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 Let's take the smart mission.